Here is the K-Tune hood hinges for the 1992 to 95 Civic EGs. This is going to be their quick release hood hinges. Give you a quick breakdown of what they look like and how they work. Boxing's always been good by K-Tune. Very good quality boxing. You don't have to worry about your product being damaged during shipping with them. Right away you got silver and black anodized aluminum. They have great finishes to them. Great quality and great finish. You can tell by the weight of them that they are quality. They have a very unique design that allows them to quickly release, and I'll go over that in a second. Here you have a safety pin to keep the hood hinge attached at all times. Doesn't matter the angle that the hood is at. Without this safety pin is what makes it the quick release. These pull out just like that, no problems. So now the hood will stay attached, and depending on the angle of the hood is when it will be released. Here you can see how they actually work. There's a full hinge that it sits on, and when the hood is attached, it pushes pressure against this and holds it into place. And at a certain angle, as you can see right here, is where it will release. And so when the hood is attached, as long as it meets underneath that angle, it won't actually be released, and it can't be. But at a certain angle, it will release, and that allows you to take your hood on and off very fast. The pins are an option. With the pin in, it doesn't matter the angle. The pin holds that hinge together. There is a little bit of hesitation on when they're together. You can feel the aluminum rubbing against each other. But other than that, no complaints. We have customers using these daily without any issues as of yet. Very easy to mount. Packaged well again. Same thing for the other side. It also comes with the hardware for you to use, so you don't have to use old rusty bolts for your Civic, which is nice. Everybody likes new hardware. And that is pretty much it. That is the K-Tune hood hinges. If you're interested, they're on our site, ready to ship. They offer these for EG, and they also have a different style for CRVs and Integras. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell us what you want to see next.